If your group selfie looks like the United Nations, you're a global explorer. If your favorite word is adventure, you're in the right place. And if Chiang Mai's on your bucket list, get ready. Meet our crew, friends from all over the world, united by curiosity and a love for new experiences. The first stop? Chiang Mai's legendary temples, where everyone finds a quiet moment of awe, then snaps about 100 photos. Hungry? The night markets call. We try mango sticky rice, spicy noodles, and yes, someone dares to taste a fried insect. Laughter breaks out, and suddenly, we're all sharing recipes from home. We hop on tuk-tuks, zip through colorful streets, and spot artists painting, dancers twirling, and monks sharing kind smiles. At every turn, we discover that Chiang Mai's real magic isn't just in the sights, it's in the people you share them with. By the end, we're not just classmates, we're a global family, with Chiang Mai as our backdrop. Ready to make your own memories here? Let the adventure begin.